Get set up? What's get set up? Hi, folks. My name is Marvin, and I'm with GetSetUp. And 5 months ago, I said that very thing that I opened with. I had no clue at all. And now I can't wait to get up in the morning to have classes, to go to my orientation class. I even have a class about dogs where you bring your dogs. It's fun. It's fun. So the classes will stimulate your mind. They will allow you to have a great deal of fun, enjoyment, and meet new people, meet new friends. So each day you can go there and achieve all those things. It's fabulous. My wife has a couple sisters, and the sisters are in different states. So the three of them, every 2 weeks, they pick out a class that they're going to go to. They go, and afterwards, they have a ball just talking about the class, and then they reschedule another class. And of course, there's a little argument there as to which class they're going to take in the next 2 weeks, but that's part of the fun on it. We have 200 plus classes, and it's growing. We're in other countries now, so it's just fabulous, fabulous. But think about the other thing. There's people out there behind those doors that are so lonely, so depressed, and even worse. And we're here to help that. So please share Get Set Up with them, but come to the classes. Come to my orientation class. Come to my dog class. That's a plug, but I had to do it. I had to do it. Come try out Get Set Up. I'm sure that you will appreciate the things that we offer there, and you will learn. And anyway, say hello to me in my orientation class. Thank you so much. Bye now.